Hi, kindergarten friends. So I have a bunch of Mo Willems books that I want to read too, so I brought a bunch home from school. I'm going to start off with the Elephant and Piggy books. So the first one that I have for you is called There's a Bird on Your Head. There's a bird on your head. Oh, there's that birdie. It looks like he's coming down there. Uh-oh. Piggy! Is there something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Ah! Uh-oh. Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. I love how Mo Willems draws the expressions on their face. Do you guys remember, what are these speech bubbles called? Remember? Captions. If you said captions, you're right. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Oh. Lovebirds. How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Uh-oh. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? There he is looking. One, two, three. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Oh, there's an ing. I-N-G. Ing, ing, ing. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Notice how Mo Willems makes those words in all capital letters, nice and big. That's because he wants you to yell those words. Look at Gerald over here. Does he look like a happy camper? I don't think so. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? Well, really polite. No problem. It worked. Bye. There they go. All you had to do is ask. Now, there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very, very much. Oh, he's happy. You are welcome. Uh-oh. Where did they go to? What do you think Piggy's feeling right now? Do you think he's happy that they're on his head now? I'm not thinking so either. Oh, did you find him? There's that pigeon hiding. Hopefully you enjoyed this book. There's a bird on your head. Oh, and it looks like it got the Theodore Seuss Giesel Award. Awesome. All right, kindergarten friends. Talk to you soon. Bye.